Welcome back Car Review, and today we are talking about something that is going to completely blow your mind. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhorn camper van, and I promise you have never seen anything like this in your entire life. Ferrari has taken everything we thought we knew about luxury travel and thrown it straight out the window. This is not just a camper van. This is a full-blown Ferrari on wheels, and it is massive. So let us get into every single detail of this incredible machine. Starting with the exterior, because the moment you lay eyes on this thing you literally stop breathing for a second. Ferrari has dressed this beast in their signature Rosso Corsa red, which is that deep metallic Ferrari red that catches light in the most insane way possible. The paint has this multi-layer metallic flake finish, so depending on how the light hits it, the color shifts between a rich deep red and an almost glowing crimson. The body is enormous and long, but Ferrari has somehow managed to make it look aggressive and athletic at the same time. The front fascia is pure Ferrari DNA with a razor-sharp carbon fiber splitter running across the very bottom, and those dual LED matrix headlights that have the same signature daytime running light strips you see on the Ferrari SF90. The hood has subtle air vents pressed into it, and a chrome Ferrari badge sits dead center, commanding your full attention. Moving along the side profile, you are going to notice something very unique, and that is the 8 oversized chrome wheels. Yes, you heard that right, 8 wheels on a camper van. Each one is a 20-inch multi-spoke chrome alloy wheel fitted with ultra-low profile performance tires, and behind each wheel you can spot those massive red Brembo brake calipers with Ferrari lettering pressed right into them. The side windows are panoramic, and they run almost the full length of the cabin with electrochromic tinting that you can control from inside. Along the roofline, Ferrari has integrated a sleek solar panel strip finished in piano black that blends seamlessly into the overall design. The wheel arch flares are finished in gloss carbon fiber, and they really give this van a muscular planted stance. At the rear you get a full-width LED light bar with the Prancing Horse logo illuminated in the center and a carbon fiber diffuser at the very bottom with aerodynamic fins. The twin titanium exhaust outlets sit on either side, and they are brushed to perfection. Now stepping inside, and this is where things get absolutely unreal. The moment that cabin door opens and those retractable steps deploy, you are stepping into what I can only describe as a 5-star hotel suite on wheels. The main living lounge area greets you first with a curved sectional sofa in Ferrari red Nappa leather with gold piping running along every seam. The ceiling is lined in charcoal Alcantara with fiber optic star lighting built directly into it, so at night you are literally sleeping under a sky full of stars. A 55-inch rollout OLED television sits flush into a walnut and carbon fiber wall panel, and the flooring is dark walnut herringbone engineered wood throughout. The kitchen is something else entirely. You have Carrara marble countertops with a waterfall edge, a built-in 2-burner professional induction cooktop, an undermount stainless steel sink with a swan neck gold faucet, and a compact Sub-Zero refrigerator integrated behind a matching panel. The cabinetry is all Ferrari red lacquer with brushed gold hardware, and there is even a built-in espresso machine finished in brushed chrome, because of course there is. The bedroom suite at the rear features a full queen-sized platform bed with a quilted Ferrari red leather headboard that has the Prancing Horse embossed right in the center. You get built-in nightstands on each side with wireless charging pads, a panoramic rear window with a motorized privacy shade, and an overhead sunroof panel that converts into full stargazing mode. The walls are padded in cream Alcantara with red stitching detail, and the whole room has gold Cove lighting running around the ceiling perimeter. The cockpit is pure Formula One inspiration. You sit in front of a 32-inch curved OLED instrument cluster showing all your navigation, speed, and vehicle telemetry. The steering wheel is carbon fiber and red leather with paddle shifters and touch controls. The center console holds a floating 15-inch infotainment touchscreen, and the head-up display projects everything onto the windshield right in your line of sight. Now for performance, because Ferrari did not put their name on this and then give it a weak engine. Under that long hood sits a twin turbocharged V12 engine producing around 800 brake horsepower with an estimated top speed of 160 miles per hour. It rides on an adaptive air suspension system that automatically adjusts based on road conditions and load weight, keeping the ride silk smooth at all times. The all-wheel drive system distributes torque intelligently across all 4 axles, and the aerodynamic package generates real downforce, keeping this massive machine planted and stable even at high speeds. Now when it comes to pricing, Ferrari has positioned this as the absolute pinnacle of luxury travel. The base starting price is expected to sit around $1.8 million with fully loaded custom configurations pushing well past $2.5 million. Ferrari will offer a strict limited production run with fewer than 100 units planned globally, so if you want one you need to get your name on that list right now. This is the 2026 Ferrari Motorhorn camper van, and it is genuinely in a class entirely by itself. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review and drop your thoughts in the comments below, because I want to know what you think about this absolute masterpiece of a machine.